Hello mga my friends! Good day to all of you! And for today's OFW cooking challenge, we will be cooking chicken caldereta! By the way, I'm Tippy and welcome to my channel! So, these are the ingredients. We have the one whole chicken, 800 grams, our onions and garlic, 2 carrots, medium size, 2 large potatoes, then we have the tomato paste, or you can use also tomato sauce, then the pineapple tidbits, or pineapple shanks. We also have the green peas, our oil, salt, and pepper. Okay everyone, let's start cooking. First of all, we will heat our pan. So once the pan is already hot, you can pour now your oil. Then you can add now your onions. It's better to cook your onions first over your garlic. Then add your garlic. So once your garlic and onions are cooked, you can add now your chicken. Just mix them. So we will lower the fire a little bit and we will let the chicken cook. So be sure that your chicken is really cooked so that it is not malansa. Now we will add the pepper. Dami, no? A lot. And mix. This is to remove the, how do you call that? Malansa. By the way guys, I forgot to mention bell pepper. You can use any colors. And also the water. That's for your ingredients. Sorry for that. I'm still learning. We'll add the water. Better if you add little by little. Because if you add too much, mawawala na yung taste. But my husband said more. So after adding the water, we'll add now our potatoes. And carrots, and be sure guys that your chicken is well cooked. By the way, when I cook the garlic, the chicken is already cooked, but then I add a little minute so that it is really well and properly cooked, so that it's not malansa. Then cover this one. Sorry for that. Cover this one. So now we will add our tomato sauce or tomato paste. So kung kulang, just add more. Just wait, mix it first. So we'll add salt. Dito lang. So you can also use chicken cubes. Others, they are used brown sugar. Because we Filipino, we love it a little bit sweet, right? So we will see if we will use cubes or not. Normally, I don't like to use cubes. Now we will add our green peas. Then, pineapple chunks. I remove the juice of this one or the syrup. And also the bell pepper. So if you're not really like for us, we don't really love like it super sweet, so I did not put sugar anymore. After mixing, let it simmer. So we will close this one, and then after that, it's ready to serve. So here's now our chicken afritada. Hope you like it. And by the way, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone and much love. So if you have any questions, just feel free to comment below. Bye! Let's eat!